Really enjoy our new campus. It has been such a nice change.
I like the building. I feel like it's nice and spacious and the kids do really well here.
There's a lot more space in this building compared to last year. It was pretty cramped last year and a lot of the classrooms were way smaller than what we have this year.
I like the bigger classrooms.
Yes, and they actually have an intercom system. Yes.
And the screens. The new screens we have, they're awesome. When you do slide presentations for science or English, your slides look way better on these screens.
So they've had to do a lot of changes and fixes along the way, but it's starting to work pretty good.
I think it's just been a great experience. I think we're all we're settling in very nicely. Every day when families drive into school, and the teachers too, they can see the progress that's being made on the new campus, and we can see now that there's a foundation that's in place, and now we're just waiting on the installation of the building that's being constructed currently.
We're very excited about having our own space, so I'm excited about the design of the classrooms, and we even get to pick our paint color.
We'll be moving from one sink for the entire room to, I believe, 6 sinks for our labs, so we've got a lot of big improvements that are coming our way.
I'm excited I know there's nice drinking fountains in there. At the old school, we had drinking fountains, but they weren't great. So I'm really excited for that too.
Thank you very much for everything you've done. We really appreciate everything, all your hard work, and yeah.